What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Zebec today, ZBCN. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, you guys, and let's get into it, all right? It is the 29th day of June, and here we are at about 0035, just below there, dollars. We've got how many hours left in the day? 7? 7 hours, 41 minutes left in the day here, down 2% on the day. At this rate, if we close here or lower, this will be the lowest close you've had since your all-time high on a daily scale. Let's see if you get that today. Okay, lower closes definitely imply lower prices to come, right? Let's see if we get that. So looking at the, we'll start off on the 15 minutes, sure. We'll pull out some other indicators once we get rocking and rolling here, okay? 15-minute time frame does look bearish, absolutely, right? You can see it. Just predominantly living below the 50. Whenever you're above the 50, you're not getting any strong readings. I mean, sure, you're getting overbought a little bit. There's some volatility there, which is nice, but predominantly weak. I want to see this on something with some volume. Okay, let's look at this on the Bybit perps. Okay, yeah. Come on. Come on. I know you can. You know what it is? I think it's this. I think it's the DeFi app. It's just slowing things down. I don't know why. It wasn't this slow for Cookie or for TARS. Okay, there you go. Look, hey, you pumped up. There you go. I just need to talk some smack, and then you'll start moving up. I mean, to be fair, you are at an area of prior support. Maybe you do move up for a second. You're bouncing off the oversold zone. Maybe you do. You go up to the 50. You find resistance right around 00354. You're at 0035 now. That's not a big deal. But yeah, bearish. Thinking it's bearish. Thinking you're going to go down. Looking at the 1 hour time frame here. Not a lot of volume picking up on the way down. Wasn't really a lot of volume on the way up either, to be fair. Let's see, from a high to a low on this 1 hour time frame. Relatively speaking, 236 rejection. Yeah, man, I think you're going lower. It's just a matter of time, right? You're gasping for air above the 50, living predominantly below the 50. Even whenever you're getting overbought, man, you're getting oversold more and more consistently. You're about to get oversold. Once you get oversold on this 1 hour time frame, which might be by the end of today, you should be breaking down below this low here. Getting below 0034 and seeing prices that are even lower than that, right? Let's look at the 4 hour time frame. We could throw some other indicators on there once this loads up. Maybe it is just the DeFi app, man. I closed that down and everything's fine. Let's see. Nope, we don't want that. MACD is very neutral. That's what you get with a very neutral price for the past couple days. It's the weekend, so of course you're gonna have neutral. What was this over here? This very thin layer. Was that the weekend? Yeah, that was. So you don't really make too much movements over the weekend. Maybe you'll move up on Monday. Look, you've made a move up. Actually, look at that. Wow, hold on. Let's go back. Let's look and see. So Monday here you moved up and then moved down. Monday here. No. Where was it? Monday here, you moved up, and then you went down. Monday here, you went up, and you went down. Maybe you move up for Monday, you guys. I think we found the secret sauce right there. Maybe you do move up. You go up to 004. I don't know, something like that. The 1 hour makes me bearish, makes me think that you're going to move down more likely than not. I mean, maybe you do move up on Monday, but going into Monday, ending the day today, maybe you're down, and then Monday you'll come back up or something like that. I don't know. Monday seems to be a bullish day for you, ZBCN. I don't know if anybody else has caught on to that. Getting into the oversold zone on the 4 hour stochastics, that's not encouraging. Definitely makes me think you're going to go lower. The RSI just looks terrible here, so you're probably going to go lower. Yeah. Daily time frame. Looking at this here. MACD, you've got some bullish divergence. Hey, that's nice. You do have bullish divergence, and now it's not so much bullish divergence. It's just bullish convergence. You're breaking below the zero line on your daily MACD, it looks like. That's not a good look. And that's okay. Doesn't mean this thing's in the dumps, right? But where you would hope to find support, I don't know, man. Depending on how good tomorrow is, depending on how good Monday is, maybe you could find support here. You don't have to find support right off the zero line. You could find support just below it, and it acts as the same thing. I would think you have a little bit lower to go, though. Here's the deal. The stochastics would agree that you have a little bit lower to go, and same thing with the RSI. Here's the deal. So my expectation for this low, I don't think it's going to be long-lived. I don't think you're going to have an opportunity. If you're looking to just wait and catch it as it comes, you're probably not going to get that opportunity. It's going to be very short-lived. You're probably going to wick down there like you did here, wick down there, and then close back up. I bet the closing low of the day that you find your low, the closing low will be above this low point here, right? So in essence, you could still make this move down and actually still find support at the 0 line on the MACD and not get oversold on the daily RSI. I don't know if you'll get oversold on the daily RSI. You could, and it's okay, but getting overbought like this, I don't expect that you will. I expect you'll find support somewhere around here. I mean, maybe if you get oversold, it's like this, but nothing too dramatic. But with the kind of expectation that I have, I don't know, maybe you wick down and maybe even wick a little bit below this 382, right? We have possibilities for that, but I think you'll close higher. I think you'll finish this with a very, very big wick to the downside there, right? Like this day here, right? You notice here how that was your low day, something like that. That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Or the other low that you had, right? Something like, was that the day? Was that your all-time low? I guess it was. I mean, you wicked down, but then you closed really high up. It's a body, but it's like a very big reversal. That's kind of what I'm expecting here. So a little bit of downside. You're at 0.035 right now, just a little bit below there. I would not be surprised in the least if you were to go down to 0.029 or at least around there, even below there. And it's fine if you do. I don't anticipate that you'll go too much below there, though. Maybe like 0.027 at the lowest. Let's see. What were those targets? We get a low to a high here. 0.0292, 0.026. So 0.026, I doubt you get below there, but you could go as low as there. And I mean, of course, you could go lower still, and that's fine too. There's reasons to find support at 0.022, but I don't think that you get that low. You'll find support. You'll have more bullish divergence on your MACD, more bullish divergence on the stochastics, and probably bouncing off the same area that you bounced off of last time in the daily RSI, setting yourself up for what looks to be a very nice bull flag. Let's see, 3-day time frame, it might be more obvious. I mean, this does look like a bull flag in all honesty. Maybe on the weekly time frame it even looks like one. Kind of. I don't know where to draw this one, so we're going to be conservative, right? Best to be conservative in matters like this. You don't want to be overzealous and set yourself up for failure. If the low is, let's just say just below 2.9, because that'll set up a conservative target as well. That measured move target would take us all the way up to about 1.6 cents. 1.6 cents. I mean, hey, why not 1.8 cents? Why not hit that money zone? I bet you do go a little bit higher than that even. So, yeah, you're probably, and again, we were being conservative anyway. So, I would think 1.8 cents to 2.3 cents, that's your next target area that you're going to go to in a very short amount of time, guys. ZBCN is going to rip from like this price here, 0.029. You're going to see, dude, you're going to see a quick move, right? Like this took a couple weeks to do. You're probably going to see like sometime by the end of July, you should be at 1.7 to 2.2 cents. 2.3 cents, if not higher. And then going into August, we can reach for those 4 to 5 cent target areas. I don't think you get to 5 cents, but maybe just below there, at least just above 4 cents. That's my expectation. I don't have anything else for you guys. Thank you all for being here. Hit the like button, subscribe. Take care. I'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye-bye.